Hey everyone, let's dive right into the chaos that unfolded on January 27, 2025. The Nasdaq had its worst day of the year, plummeting over 3%. Tech stocks took a beating, and Nvidia was at the heart of this storm. The release of DeepSeek's new AI model sent shockwaves through the market. This wasn't just any model, it was less capital-intensive, a game-changer that triggered a massive sell-off. Nvidia's stock alone dropped a staggering 17%, wiping out $589 billion in market cap. This marked the largest single-day loss for any public company in history. But Nvidia wasn't alone. Broadcom and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing also suffered, with their stocks down 17% and 13% respectively. Even tech giants like Microsoft and Tesla weren't spared, each dipping 2%. And it wasn't just the companies feeling the heat. Billionaires across the board saw their fortunes take a nosedive. Larry Ellison from Oracle lost a whopping $27.6 billion. Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, saw $20.8 billion vanish. Michael Dell, Elon Musk, Larry Page, they all lost billions. Now DeepSeek's responses have been nothing short of controversial. They've dodged questions about sensitive topics related to the Chinese government, but were more than willing to comment on US political figures. This has raised a few eyebrows in the political sphere. Despite the turmoil, Nvidia called DeepSeek's AI model an excellent advancement. They emphasized its use of test time scaling and how heavily it relies on Nvidia GPUs for inference. David Sachs, Trump's AI and crypto czar, weighed in too. He saw DeepSeek's success as a sign of a competitive AI race and supported Trump's repeal of Biden's AI guardrails. So what sparked this chaos? DeepSeek launched its R1 model, which they claim matches OpenAI's performance at a fraction of the cost. This raised alarms about the U.S. dominance in the AI market. Within a week, DeepSeek's app topped iPhone app stores in several countries. Analysts are divided. JP Morgan's Sandeep Deshpande questioned whether the AI investment cycle is overhyped. Meanwhile, Bernstein's Stacy Rasgon called the panic overblown, disputing DeepSeek's claimed development cost of $5.6 million. Speculation is rife about DeepSeek's resources. Elon Musk and Alexander Wang believe DeepSeek owns over $1 billion worth of Nvidia equipment. This, despite their claims of lower development costs. Some are calling this America's Sputnik moment. Mark Andreessen and Vivek Ramaswamy see DeepSeek's technology as a potential threat to U.S. leadership in AI. Remember, the U.S. stock market, especially the tech-heavy Magnificent Seven, had been riding high on AI advancements. DeepSeek's emergence has shaken this dominance, sparking fears of another dot-com bubble burst. That's it for now, folks. Stay tuned for more updates as this story unfolds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest market insights. Until next time, stay informed and stay invested.